Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Supernegotiate. We are at T-35th day. So I want you to focus on the quadrant that you're looking at your screen right now. There are 4 components, so focus on this thing. I want you to combine or compile a list of things that you can agree upon, meaning things where you have flexibility in the negotiation. Compile this laundry list. On the right hand side, similarly, define your non-negotiable or walkaway points. Any one of these points, meaning the supplier is automatically removed. Walkaway points, extremely important. The third segment is about the carrots. In another word, these are your incentives, and these can be your contract related incentives in terms of if someone overachieves or over delivers, can you really give them more than the TCO in terms of incentives? What are the timelines? Are your timeline relaxed? Can you relax a bit in terms of deliverables? In terms of the businesses, whether your business team, and a reminder to the demand planning team here, how well you know your future demand. Are you planning any new products, new markets? Is there a new JV opportunity? What is your demand forecasting? In nutshell, you need to know how to generate more revenue for your potential bidder. Compile the laundry list of all the carrots that you can get. Similarly, the last quadrant is the compile the list of sticks. SLA clauses, penalty clauses, what are the disqualification conditions in the tendering? For example, if you give me the discount in X or lower than X range, don't even bother submitting the offer. Or if you misbehave by not submitting the tenders on time, or you completely change your offers which were previously submitted, these are the disqualification conditions. Very important to define discipline in your negotiation. So this is how you complete sticks. This thing is going to take you at least 5 days. Save this video and rewind and take mental notes. Write it down and we will practice this over and over again. I'm really enjoying this negotiation and I'm receiving a lot of inquiries. Keep the negotiation work going on and I'll see you in the next one. More info on this one is on supernegotiate.com. All the blog articles. I will be publishing a step-by-step guide really soon. But for now, thank you so much for joining in and I'll see you at T-30th day. Till then, goodbye.